What is up, and welcome back to the Built by Rich channel. In today's episode, we are going to adjust the clutch lever on the Suzuki sv650. As you can see, there's a lot of free play here. It's only supposed to be about 10 to 15 millimeter, and that's a lot. And this thing is already maxed out for the most part. So I'll show you guys how to adjust it, and stay tuned. Alright, there are two ways to adjust the clutch on the sv650. One is up here and the other is right over here. Since we already maxed out this part, we're actually going to adjust it from down here. In order to do that, I have to take off the cover. There's about three 8mm bolts. We'll take that off, we'll tighten it up, and but first we got to take the tension out of here so that we can use this later for adjustments. Here we go. All right, what we want to do is loosen all of this, get some slack. No, wrong way. Oops, my bad. Get that as far down as possible. That's good. Alright, like I mentioned, there are 3 bolts, which I kind of loosened already. This should come off, but it's not. Oh, there's 4. Five, apparently. All right. Off she goes. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, so I think there's supposed to be a nut back here. Oh, Oh yeah, there is. It's loose. That's one issue. First we gotta loosen this one and then turn it clockwise to, give me 1 second, I'll be back. All right, what you wanna do is, you wanna loosen this. You have to put the screw, there you go, a little bit. You wanna turn this clockwise until you start feeling tension. That's it, and then you turn it back 1/4 of a turn, so right there, and then you tighten it. All right, that's good right there. Oh yeah, way better. Want to do, oh, you need 2 12s. All right. You want to tighten the bottom. Check the tension. It actually feels pretty good. Maybe tighten this. All right. You want to check the play. I mean, you don't really need to, but as long as you feel it doesn't have to be exact 10 to 15 millimeter, but this one's about 10 to 12, so actually that's really good. And if I want to make it tighter, I can just adjust it from up here. Awesome, that was easy. All right, another thing that I'm probably gonna do is the shifter. So as you guys know, when you're riding a bike, upshift, you flip up. Well, as long as I've been riding, I've learned the other way around, because my first bike was a race bike and they set it up as GP shift. So to upshift, you actually click down, and to downshift, you click up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the lever backwards. Well, backwards for normal people, normal for me, because that's how I learned how to drive or ride. So that's what I'll do here. that's how you do it. All right, so as you can see, I flipped the lever, so it's now opposites. We adjusted the clutch. All you gotta do is just put the cover back on in reverse order, and she is good. It feels good. It snaps right back. Yeah, because I was having issues with it getting out of releasing the clutch. So this feels pretty good. It should work. So that's gonna wrap it up for this quick video. I just wanted to show you guys how to adjust the clutch on the SV650. If you guys find this helpful in any sort of way, please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace.